Hi again. Earlier I have shared learning videos on different topics in relation to written or oral communication. In this video we are going to understand how to use smart subject lines in written communication. You can click on the link and view previous learning videos. Let me know your views or comments after watching this video. My name is Vikas and let's have a wonderful learning experience. Let us begin with importance of a subject line. The best subject lines communicates promise of value. In other words, your subject line should convince the recipient that the email contains information that is relevant for him or her to act upon. What information should smart subject lines carry? Messages should have clear and specific subject lines that describes the message content. Specifies if there are any actions required and due dates. Mentions clearly who the message is for. If the message is short, you can type your entire message in the subject line and don't need to write anything in the body of the message, if you are using email marketing. Remember, 8 out of 10 marketing messages are deleted because of mismatched subject line. Mismatched or misdirected marketing messages will make email receiver block you or report your emailer as spam. Even in case of internal or external communication, mismatched subject line and information will lead to confusion.
Let's look at example of subject line. A. Meeting scheduled. B. Meeting scheduled for discussion of new policy dated 10th February at 1300 hours. Which one do you think is smart subject line? A. Or B. Answer is.
That's all for now. Hope you have liked this quick learning session. If you would like me to cover any other topic, do let me know. Until then, goodbye.